What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be cooking our garlic butter salmon. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get these pieces of salmon, we're going to take it out, we'll put it on the cutting board. We're going to cut these pieces of salmon into like little strips, 2 little strips on each one. Alright, so we're going to cut these 2 pieces of salmon right into two little slices. Make sure you get it good to get that. Make sure you get that skin on the back. Okay. Then we're going to move over to this one. I'm just going to cut it right in the middle. Alright, just like that. Alright, now that we got them sliced up, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the skin off the back. The way I like to do it, kind of the easiest way you can. Flip it over, get you a piece. Sometimes they'll just come off pretty darn easily. All you gotta do is just be a little gentle. Come back with it. Kind of keep your hand close. And sometimes tail comes off, but that's alright. And then we're going to do that to the rest, and then we're going to throw in some flour with some AP rub, and then we're going to throw it on the oven. Alright, now that we got the skin off the back, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to turn this on, get that pan nice and hot, and we're going to put some olive oil in there. Let that heat up. Alright, while that's heating up, what we're going to do over here is we're going to grab some flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to pour it into this little bowl right here. Then we're going to get some Killer Hogs AP rub. Open that up. We'll pour that in there. We're going to mix it, and then that's what we're going to dump our salmon in, and then we're going to put it on the grill. So we're going to mix this up real good. Look at the color. You want a nice like brownish, kind of grayish color. You don't want it to be too white. So add a little bit more. Mix it up. Whenever you think that it looks good, probably around right there. I'll add a little bit more. Yeah. Now we're going to dump our salmon in there, and we're going to put them on the grill. All right, now we got the stove nice and heated, the pan's nice and heated. We're going to dump these pieces of salmon in there. Just get a nice coating on them. Get them sides. Just get that nice coating. Then we're going to throw it on the oven. And we're going to do that to all 4 of these pieces. I'm going to let that cook for a couple minutes. And then after a couple minutes, we're going to put some butter in there, and we're just going to toss in butter. Alright, now that these have been on for a little bit, what we're going to do is we're going to check the underside of them, wait till they get that nice golden crispy, and then once they get that golden crispy, we're going to flip it and do that to the other side. So yep, something like that, nice golden crispy. Alright, we got all of them flipped. Now we're going to wait a little bit, let the other side get nice golden crispy. Throw some butter in there and toss it in the butter. Alright, now that the other side's getting close to being done, I'm going to get this butter. We're going to open up this butter. We're going to get about 1/4 of a stick, I'd say. Just a little bit. Probably about that much. Put it in there. Let that heat up, melt down, and then we're going to toss it all. Alright, the butter that I did use, I used the Irish Gold garlic butter. So now that it's basically all done, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tilt this pan, get that in there, and we're just gonna toss it. Toss it all over those as it's finishing cooking. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take these pieces of salmon out and get the sauce ready. Alright, now that we got the fresh parsley all cut up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back over here, turn this on, put it on a medium heat, and then we're gonna do 5 cloves of garlic and put it back right where you just got done cooking the salmon. Alright, now you got the 5 cloves of garlic in there, stir it a little bit. Let those garlic get a little brown, as so. And then we're going to throw 1 cup of vegetable stock in there. We're going to grab our vegetable stock. Get about 1 cup. Alright, put that in there. And then we're going to throw the rest of that 1 stick of butter in there. I like to cut it up so it melts faster. So you put those pieces of butter in there. Then you're going to let it heat up into a paste. Alright, what we're going to do now is mix it all up until it gets a nice paste. Once you get that nice paste that you want, you're going to put the parsley in there, maybe a pinch of salt and pepper. Then we're going to throw the salmon back on and let it lather all together. Alright, now we got it at the nice consistency we want. Get our parsley over here. Just throw it on top. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Give it 1 last whisk. Then we're going to put our pieces of salmon back in. Baste it for like a minute. Take it out and it's ready to go. Alright, now that we got those pieces of salmon in, just get a nice little spoon. Get the tops. Let that sit for about 1 minute and then it's good to come out. Alright, now that it's been sitting for about 1 minute, it's time to take it out. Then the next step is to eat. They look good. Alright, now we got the garlic butter salmon finished. Next thing to do now is just try a piece of it, see how it turned out. I like it a little crispy, but not too crispy. See how it is. Yeah, that's good. Some good salmon. I thoroughly enjoy my salmon like that. One of my favorite ways to cook salmon besides on a pellet grill. But if you're cooking inside or on a stove, this is by far my favorite way to cook salmon. Appreciate y'all stopping in and watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next and check out my other videos. Thank y'all.